Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, students. This is chapter number 4, and today we are going to start our new chapter, that is data communication and computer networks. And this is all about the communication system, about the networking of computer, and this is your chapter number 4. And we already have done chapter 1, 2, and 3. According to the new book, the first chapter is Introduction to Computer, Fundamentals of Computer. Chapter number 2 is Fundamentals of Operating System. Chapter number 3 is Office Automation. And this is chapter number 4, Data Communication and Computer Networks. We have the limited topics here in the reduced syllabus. As you all know that the syllabus has been reduced. So we have around 4 topics in this chapter. The topic number 1 is the basic terminologies of data communication, and then networking and topologies. These are the basic components of data communication, and these are 4 topics which we are going to cover in this chapter, right? The rest of the topics are excluded, and this is according to the reduced syllabus for this year only. Now, what is data and what is communication? The communication, and this is the, you can see the picture, that the communication among the computers, and the transfer of data. As you all know that data is the fact and figures, like what we are talking about is the data. It's a data transmission right now between you and me. It's also a data transmission, and I am transferring my vocal data, my voice data towards you, right? So this is also the data communication among us. The communication, to communicate with each other, to talk with each other, to share the ideas with each other. Communicate means to communicate among each other. आपस में communicate करना, एक दूसरे से share करना अपने ideas. That is known as the communication. And today, in today's world, there are lots of communication ways among people, among the world, around the world, right? So communication means to communicate with each other, to communicate between, it could be communication between the people or between the devices, right? And what is data communication? There are a lot of things to see when we are going towards the heading of network. That data in modeling, mobile, gaming. This is all about this all works by the network. Network के ज़रिए हम ये सारी चीज़ें प्लान कर सकते हैं. कंप्यूटिंग है, उसके प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं. इसमें 2 चीज़ें हैं. एक तो उसके नेटवर्क के प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं, यानी नेटवर्क के लिए हमें किस किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है. डिवाइसेस हैं, systems, and like LAN is a system, mobile is a device, gaming is a software. So this is all about the network. Routing, management, WAN, wide area network, social networking, right? This is all about the network. Data communication, data can communicate through the network, and it is communication among different protocols by different devices by using different systems, right? Now, data communications refers to the transmission of this digital data between 2 or more computers, and a computer network or data network is a telecommunication network that allows computer to exchange the data. This is the telecommunication. You can say that that it's a telecommunication among the among the people around the world, right? Data communications refers to the transmission of digital data. Digital data, what's the word? Digital data between 2 or more computers. Between 2 or more computers. Data can transfer through one computer to another by using internet or any type of networking. As I explained in the class that there are a lot of, when I explain operating system, multi-user operating system and single user operating system. In single user operating system, we also used a network to communicate among others, and in multi-user environment, we use different types of software to communicate among each other. and to communicate our data to each other refers to the transmission of the digital data between two or more computer. Now, the basic components I explained you that the data is the raw facts and figures which we are sharing among each other. Communication is the way to communicate, whether it could be a language, you can communicate by the language, you can communicate by the devices, you can communicate by the networks. Data transmission refers to the process of transferring data between two or more digital devices. When we are talking about computer, when we are talking about computer, तो data किस तरह transfer होता है? Digital devices के through, right? Data is transmitted from one device to another in analog or digital format. Sometimes we use digital format and sometimes we use analog format, right? And sometimes it could be the combination of both. Basically, data transmission enables devices or computers. Devices means you can use any device, like you can use mobile as well. Enable devices or compute components within device to speak to each other. To speak to each other, to message to each other, to share anything to each documents to each other, right? So what is the data communication? The process of transferring data between two or more digital devices, right? And how it could be transferred? It could be the analog signal or it could be the digital signals. There are two methods used to transmit data between digital devices: serial transmission and parallel transmission. Like if you remember that we have learned about serial port and parallel ports. In serial port only one bit of data is transferred. In parallel port there are multiple bits of data can be transferred. The same way, serial transmission sends data bits one after another over a signal channel. एक के बाद एक bit transfer होती है. In parallel, in parallel data transmission sends multiple data bits at the same time over multiple channels. Parallel data में multiple data bits transfer होते हैं multiple channels के through, right? So how many types of data transmission is there? Serial transmission and parallel transmission. In serial transmission, one bit can be transmitted over a single channel, and parallel transmission sends multiple data bits at the same time over multiple channels, right? Keep in mind, there are two types of data transmission: serial transmission and parallel transmission. This is all about the world around you. By using a laptop, you can communicate through the whole world. It becomes convenient for a person to sit at home and work at home and communicate. You can communicate anytime to any person, and it becomes very easy for people to work by home. Now the next term, these are the basic terminologies. These are the basic terminologies for data communication, that what is the analog signal, what are the digital signals, and what is data. We discussed about data communication, and the types of data transmission and data transmit. What is data transmission? The transfer of data from one device to another. Okay? And there are two types of data transmission. One is serial and one is parallel. Now the next one is analog signal. Analog signal used to measure the physical quantities like temperature, pressure, is a one type of continuous time varying signal, and these are classified into composite and simple signals. A simple type of analog signal is nothing but a sine wave, and that can't be decomposed, whereas a composite type analog signal can be decomposed into numerous sine waves. You can see the diagram here, this type of analog signal. These are the analog signals, right? These are in the form of wave. Sometimes it becomes ups and downs, like it is continuously moving. A single wave that is continuously moving, that this is known as the analog signals. whereas a digital signal is in a discrete form. These are the digital signals. This is the comparison between analog and digital signals. These are the digital signals, and blue color is the analog signals. Like if it is, I consider it as 1 because the signals is there, and I consider is down the 0 when the signal is not there, right? This is the digital way of measuring the quantities, and this is blue color is the analog signals. A digital signal is a signal that is being used to represent data as a sequence of discrete value. As you all know, in digital signal, there is a binary number in which 1 means on and 0 means off. At any given time, it can only take on at most one of a finite number of values. Digital signals do not produce noise. This is the main point. Digital signals do not produce noise. Example of analog signals are human voice. It can be measured physically, thermometer, analog phone. And the example of digital signals are computers, digital phones, digital pens, etc. So this is the analog signal, and this is a digital signals. And digital signals works on digits, that is binary numbers 0 and 1. And if I'm going to use any other number, what should I do? If I'm going to use decimal numbers, what should I do? Now the next terminology is a bit rate. What is a bit rate? The transfer of data. For in telecommunication and computing, bit rate is the number of bits that are conveyed or processed per unit of time. एक वक्त में जितने bits transfer होंगे, that is known as the bit rate, right? The bit rate is quantified using the bits per second unit. एक सेकंड में कितने bits transfer हो रहे हैं. Often in conjunction with an SI prefix, यानी bit के साथ हम ये भी लगा byte के साथ या bit के साथ हम kilobyte या kilobit लगाते हैं, megabyte, gigabyte और terabyte उसको हम measure करने के लिए उसके SI units हैं ये, ठीक है? The bit rate is the number of bits transferring per second. एक सेकेंड में कितने bits transfer होंगे, that is known as the bit rate. If the bit rate is high, the picture is more clear. I'll show you the example, this one. This is the bit rate 6000, right? The bit rate is 6000. The vision is very clear. In the next picture, the bit rate is 4000, and you can see the image here. It's not very clear. It's a messy image, right? It's a bit rate of 4000, and this is the bit rate of 6000. Am I clear enough? What is the bit number of bits that are processed or transmitted per unit time? So if the bit rate is high, the picture would be clear, or the data can be processed can be processed fastly. But if the bit rate is slow, the data is transferring slow, and the picture, if we are talking about the picture, the graphics, it's not very clear, right? Now, what is the baud rate? The rate indicates the number of electric. Baud rate is actually the signals per second. Bit rate is the transfer of bits per second, transfer of data per second, but baud rate is the use of signals, the provision, the commencement of signal per second. जो signal आप use कर सकते हैं, the higher the baud rate, the more bits per second data transferred. As you all know that the data is transferred through the signal. Networking is done by the signals. If the signals rate, the baud rate of the signal is high, the more bits per second that are transferred. जितना ज़्यादा high baud rate होगा उतने ज़्यादा bits per second transfer होंगे, and baud rate is actually the signals available for that network, right? Signal to noise ratio signal, this is known as SNR. Signal to noise ratio is a measure used in science and engineering that compares the level of a desired signal to the level of background noise. जब बैकग्राउंड नॉइस हाई होगी तो आपके सिग्नल्स डिस्ट्रैक्ट होंगे, ठीक है। इसको मैं आगे कंटिन्यू करूंगी एसएनआर को, ताकि आपको क्लियरली पता लगे कि अगर एसएनआर कितना है तो हमारे पास सिग्नल्स किस तरह के होंगे। इसको मैं आगे मज़ीद कंटिन्यू रखूंगी इस टॉपिक को, ठीक है। इस वक्त जो हमने चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया है इसमें अगर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो मुझसे पूछिए। We discussed about the communication, the data communication, the basic components of data communication is data communication and the transmission. Okay, data transmission. There are two types of data transmission, the serial transmission and the parallel transmission. The analog signals are measures the physical quantities in waveform, and the digital signals in discrete form, the number used are 0 and 1, ups and down, on and off, right? And the example of analog signals are human voice, thermometer, and the example of digital signals are computer, most commonly used, and digital phones. Now, what is the bit rate? Bit rate is the number of bit transfer per second. And I told you the bitrate, if the bitrate is high, the picture or the data processed fastly, and if the bitrate is slow, the data processing is slow. Baud rate are the signals used for uh, to transmit data per second.